What are the tax benefits available for salaried employees? Tax expert Mr. Gopal will give his insights now.
You can go for a second property, buy a property in loan and repay whatever interest you pay on that, you are eligible for deduction. And apart from that, host of benefits are available. The way you structure your package with your employer should be in such a way that part should be like a reimbursement, sir. So you spend for the company and they reimburse you. So that type of package is there. They can claim that as an expenditure and it will not be taxed to you also. Travel and certain allowances, food allowances, the uniform allowances. So certain things and all you need to actually structure where you have to sit with your in the film called Three Idiots, there will be a scene. So once the interview things is over, they will say, "Salary ka baat karenge kya?" So while the salary discussion takes place, you need to you need to sit with them and say, what is my taxable part, what is non-taxable part, what is the allowance part, what are the perquisite part, which are taxable perquisite, which are non-taxable perquisite. Can I have more of non-taxable perquisite? Can I have more of non-taxable allowances? So these things you need to actually structure it. So a lot of possibilities are there. So as far as salaried people are concerned, it is like you cannot make noise by only one hand. You have to make noise with two hands. So both employer and employee both are equally responsible to bring optimization in the tax law, which is possible.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.